Okay guys, good morning and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so quickly I just want to do this video. A lot of people, over 10 people have messaged me now that when they try to generate their profile code, it says service expired. It's always saying service expired. Okay, and I've been able to resolve it for some of them. So what I tell them is, instead of sending to 55019, because that's what, because most people, when I tell them send the screenshot of what is going on and I see that it is 55019, they are sending their name to generate their profile code. So instead of sending to 55019, send to 66019. Okay, and try it. If network is a bit because everyone, I've been saying this thing that generate your profile code, generate it. JAMB has opened it since January. Second week of January, JAMB opened it and informed everyone, and I've been saying it now. Almost everybody now is trying to generate profile code. That's why there's the problem. That's why it's having all these problems. Okay, so I want you to send it to 66019. Send it to 66019 now, and share this video to your friends, family, loved one, anyone that is showing service expired. Send it at midnight, send it early in the morning, okay, when there's less traffic, because definitely today there'll be traffic jam. JAMB registration starts. E-pin as is on sale, and as I told you, I sell the JAMB e-pin, so you can contact me. Our WhatsApp details, you see our WhatsApp details on our video description box of this video. WhatsApp me on our profile bio, WhatsApp me and get your own JAMB e-pin. And what is JAMB e-pin? Is the form itself. It is what enables you to register. All right, and people always ask me, so what is the paper? The paper is just the template. It's a free template that is on our groups. Join the DTW tutorials groups. Okay, so you also get the list of approved JAMB CBT centers. All right, so so you know where to go to register for your JAMB. So what do you need? You just need your profile code and that JAMB e-pin. Okay, then you can fill in that template. All right, it's on the group, or when you get to the JAMB CBT center, they'll give you one which you just pay like 100 naira. You fill it in with your university of choice and all that. We did that seminar yesterday. I taught everyone about it. Okay, maybe I will just do a short video again to explain it so you all see it again. All right, so that is what you need: your profile code, your JAMB e-pin. Come get your JAMB e-pin from us. All right, that's the form itself that enables you to go for your registration. So you get that and just go to a JAMB CBT center. You don't need to pay any other money again. So please, if any of your friends or loved ones, family is experiencing that service expired, send to 66019. The network is already crazy traffic now going, because almost everyone, which shouldn't be, is trying to process their own profile code, generate their profile code. Okay, if you have any further issues with profile code, you can also WhatsApp me. I'll try to help you out. Just be patient. Okay, I have a lot of people messaging me. I would attend to you. Just know I would attend to you. All right, I would attend to you. Don't also forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app, and if you want to join our online classes, do also join us. All right, take care. You are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Okay, please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, share this video to help someone out. There's something at the back of my mind. Yes, very key and important. If you have done JAMB before, or you know someone that's done JAMB before and there was an error in the person's data, and now this year the person wants to go and register, please tell the person he should not just leave that, oh, I have done the change on my name. When you get to the JAMB CBT center, please tell them that you have done a correction on your name and you want it to reflect on your portal. You must do that reflection first. It's called data override, name data override, before you start registration. Because if you just go and do registration like that, the same error that you saw the last time you registered, you see it again, and it means that you have to wait till next year. Do you get my point? So please, anyone that have that issue, tell them that they have to first correct that data on JAMB portal before they start registration. All right, yeah, that's what was on my mind. Thank you, and see you in our next video.